प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं, मतलब पूरे दिन भर गाड़ी चलती है, इसीलिए मैं रात में वीडियो बनाती हूँ ताकि आवाज़ अच्छी आए। और अब रात में इन डॉगियों को भौ भौ करना है, तो मैं वीडियो बनाऊँ कब नहीं मुझे पता आ गया बस खाली। Hi you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cherry. So if you're new here, then please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me if you do this for me. So today video is basically about a Smitten haul, if you have already seen the title. And I'm so excited about this one because many of them know about this, but many of them do not know about this. बहुत लोगों को नहीं पता होगा. I'm pretty damn sure because मुझे भी जब ये पता चला था, I was like in shock कि ऐसा भी कोई ऐप होता है जिसमें you can get free product but branded one. So I was so excited about the moment I saw this. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. सो फर्स्टली मैं आपको ये बताऊंगी कि उसमें क्या क्या कैटेगरीज अवेलेबल है, ठीक है। तो फर्स्टली फूड एंड बेवरेजेस का कैटेगरी अवेलेबल है जिसमें आपको मिल जाएगा सारे फूड आइटम्स लाइक चॉकलेट, देन you'll get a कॉफ़ी के सैशे पैकेट्स, चाय के पैकेट्स, ग्रीन टी एंड अ लॉट मोर स्टफ. बेसिकली दिस ऐप इज ऑल फॉर ट्राई ऑन दैट स्टफ. देन सेकेंड इज ब्यूटी एंड ग्रूमिंग, लाइक वहाँ पे आपको सारे ब्यूटी के रिलेटेड प्रोडक्ट्स मिल जाएंगे, लाइक हेयर कोम अवेलेबल रहेगा, देन ऑयल टू ट्राई ऑन दैट, लाइक डिफरेंट ब्रांड्स ऑयल. फिर बाद में आता है फ्रेग्रेंसेज. यू विल गेट अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट ब्रांड्स फ्रेग्रेंसेज टू नो अबाउट, लाइक स्किन बाय टाइटन एंड प्लम के बॉडी मिस्ट एंड अ लॉट मोर. सो फ्रेग्रेंसेज में ये सब आ जाता है और बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स अवेलेबल है. ऑफकोर्स विल गेट टू नो व्हेन यू स्क्रोल द ऐप itself. So firstly, let me clear you the one stuff that this video is not sponsored by anyone. This is just I'm doing because the products are really worth it, really free. Okay, free in the sense they charge for the shipping like 199 rupees, but you are getting the products. इतने सारे products आपको मिल रहे हैं. So I think that is kind of a free, they'll just charge for one product like 30 to 40 rupees and उसका 30 ml तो होता ही है वो product का. So I think it's worth it. And but this video is not sponsored by anyone. It's just that the products itself are really good. I really liked the scheme, the whole process behind this. So that is the reason I just wanted to let you know about this app and this thing that you can grab even and you can try on the products. Then उसके बाद आ जाता है मेकअप. So मेकअप में सारे ही चीज़ें अवेलेबल है, लाइक फाउंडेशन, देन कंसीलर एंड lipsticks, nail enamel and a lot more stuff. Okay, then now coming back to the brands, like which all brands are available, like Plum, then Maybelline, Mama Earth, Amkefine, the Mom's Co and a lot more. So this all are the famous brands as you know about their products and all. So yep, so next how does it works? Okay, so this app how does it work is इसमें trial points होते हैं, ठीक है, like one से लेके 6 trial. Whenever you just open this app and sign up with your mobile number and whatever email, then you get a 6 trial points. तो इसमें कैसे होता है, एक प्रोडक्ट के एक ट्रायल पॉइंट होता है. इफ़ कोई प्रोडक्ट ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव है, 500 और 600 तक एक्सपेंसिव है, तो उसके ट्रायल पॉइंट्स 2 भी हो सकते हैं पर प्रोडक्ट के. सो एक प्रोडक्ट का एक ट्रायल पॉइंट होता है, कभी कभी एक प्रोडक्ट का 2 भी होता है, कभी कभी एक प्रोडक्ट का 3 भी होता है. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन प्रोडक्ट्स. यू कैन गो विद एनी ऑफ देम जब तक 6 नहीं हो जाता. इफ 6 कंप्लीट हो जाएगा देन इट विल ऑटोमेटिकली शो यू दैट 6 ट्रायल पॉइंट्स आर कंप्लीटेड. बाय डूइंग ऑल दिस ऑफकोर्स यू विल प्रोसीड फॉर द पेमेंट प्रोसेस. सो पेमेंट प्रोसेस में क्या होता है, COD अवेलेबल है बट इट विल कॉस्ट यू ₹50 एक्स्ट्रा. सो आई प्रिफर एंड आई सजेस्ट दैट यू शुड नॉट गो विद द कैश ऑन डिलीवरी इन दिस बिकॉज आई हैव बाइड फ्रॉम दिस ऑफकोर्स एंड आई हैव गॉट ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स. सो आप ऑनलाइन पेमेंट मेथड के साथ भी जा सकते हैं, तो उसमें आपको सिर्फ 199 रुपीज़ ही पे करना पड़ेगा. इफ़ यू वांट टू गो विद COD दैन यू कैन, बट यू हैव टू पे एक्स्ट्रा 50 रुपीज़. सो दैट्स द प्रोसेस. Doggy, please shut your mouth. I want to make a video. तुम्हें शर्म है? Okay, so as they are saying for the free product thing, तो वो लोग क्या करते हैं, वहाँ पे ऐसा ऑप्शन आता है that you will get 6 trial points back after आपको जब सारे products delivered हो जाएंगे. And second option is getting 199 rupees cash back. So you can go like whichever you like. तो मैं किसके साथ गई थी, मैं 6 trial point back के साथ गई थी because I was like so excited about this. Just let's get into that मैंने क्या क्या खरीदा है. So firstly, this is the box which I have received from Smitten, and this is how it look like. So इसमें I have all of my products. So firstly we have is this Mamaearth Upton face mask, and this is how it look like. It have 25 grams in it, and like you can use this face mask for 5 to 6 times. Yeah, I have used once already, and basically I don't liked it much, but I don't hate it also. It's dermatologically tested, and it's paraben and silicone free, and it's like quite sufficient to test out that how does it works on your skin. Upton face mask है, तो इसमें saffron, turmeric and apricot oil है. Okay, so the price tag written here is 99 rupees, but I have got it this for just 1 trial points, which is great. So yeah. Okay, so second we have is this Plum sunscreen. This is how it look like. So this is a lightweight sunscreen. It's a green tea sunscreen. It's from Plum. So what I loved about this is that it is lightweight. It just give a glow on your face which you need, and I really like the smell, and it have SPF 35 PA+++. So I really enjoyed this sunscreen. Basically, if you can see, I have used full of it, and थोड़ा बहुत है इसमें अभी. So I really enjoyed using this sunscreen. Then the price tag is rupees 190 here, but मुझे ये 1 trial points में मिला. So yeah. So my skin type is sensitive and combination skin type. If you are with my skin tone, and if you are looking for the sunscreen, then you can go with the Plum one. This is really good. I really enjoyed it. So third we have is this perfume, like a mini scent. You can say it's from Flux. The brand is Flux, and it have 8 milliliter in it. So this is how it look like. The smell is really good. It's a EDP perfume. The smell is really refreshing, good, and like kind of, you know, it's like giving a wholesome vibe. I really like the perfume basically. So if I would like to give a rating, I would give 10 on 8. Yeah, this is a good perfume. You can go with this. It is a long lasting. So yeah, retailed me off again like 1 trial points. So next is this natural toning mist from Sear Secrets, and this is how it look like. It's a rose water kind of. Basically it's a rose, palma rose and cachio. Just balance, hydrate and restore, and it have 30 milliliter in it, which is really great again. And I have used this. If you can see, इतना मैंने यूज़ कर लिया है यहाँ से लेके इतना. So yep, all the products I have used first, and then only I'm reviewing it that how does it is. So the price tag again is 195 here, but मुझे ये 1 trial points पे मिला. Rate this then 10 on 6. Yeah, how I use this rose water, you know, I do my makeover, and I put some rose water on my blender, and then I blend it, so it just gives a really good texture. That's how I use this. So you can go, like, you know, you can use your rose water like this even. So next we have is this scented candles in the vanilla flavor, and this is how it look like. It looks from inside. It have 50 grams in it, and this smells like vanilla, of course. Not so like vanilla, but yeah, little bit. I quite enjoyed it. If I would rate this, then 10 out of 8. ये मुझे 2 trial points का cost हुआ. So yeah, total in 6 हमारे हो गए. So 6 trial points ही मिलते हैं, as I said. And उसके बाद this cute little pouch we got to keep all this stuff, or if you want to, you know, keep something else like your small and little cute makeup stuffs or anything from inside. I really liked this cute purse. You can select the colors also, like colors का option available कभी कभी होता है. So yeah, so by this we are done with our Smitten box haul, and I'm planning to buy a more, and gonna come with the haul too for the Smitten box haul stuff. Yeah, so yep, that is it. I hope you enjoyed it, and if yes, then please hit the like button. As I'm new here, I really need your support. If you like and enjoy my content in any manner, then please share this video and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a video or anything, you guys get notified. And yep, that is it. I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Until then, bye, take care.